Now the Galaxy S23 Ultra received the FCC certification 2 days after the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus received date. It is the international variant of the smartphone and it seems to be missing two important upgrades. As per FCC certification documents, the Galaxy S23 Ultra still uses 25 watts charging and has Wi-Fi 6A. Samsung usually tests its phones with the same 25-watt charger even though the devices support faster charging standards. Similar was the case with the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra as they support up to 45 watts charging. But the FCC certification only listed that 25 watts charger. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery is listed in the FCC database, and it was revealed a few weeks ago that it has a 5000 mAh battery, so you shouldn't expect the smartphone to have a bigger battery than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to a tipster, Samsung is bringing new Ultra Stabilization video mod on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Ultra could mean more advanced stabilization, perhaps a combination of both hardware and software, that is going to be used for floating video footages. It can be a jump in video quality from 1080p and we can expect this to be shot at 4K resolution. It could possibly use more lenses than just the main and ultra-wide-angle sensors. If Samsung is planning to increase the resolution with the Ultra Stabilization mod, we can expect them to do the same thing with the portrait video mod, which is definitely better on iPhone 14 Pro. Honestly, Apple is still the king in video performance, however it only lacks the long-range video zoom. It seems with the Ultra Stabilization and upgraded portrait video mod, we can expect the Galaxy S23 Ultra to bring the best video performance on any Galaxy ever, and I think apparently the new Ultra Stabilization on S23 Ultra could be an answer to iPhone 14's Action mod. Samsung is expected to bring various smaller improvements with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including a much faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor globally, a bigger 3D Sonic Gen 2 fingerprint reader, an improved front-facing camera with optical image stabilization, fast Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and more durable glass protection for the display and the camera lenses. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.